Hello and welcome to 11.6, Understand Volume. The essential question is, how can you use unit cubes to find the volume of a rectangular prism? All right, that's a three-dimensional rectangular shape. So we have some vocab that you need to write down. First is volume. This is measurement of the amount of space a solid figure occupies. So if I have something like this, okay, well, volume is going to be all the space inside of this rectangular prism. Okay? Simple as that. And it's measured in cubic units. Okay? So make sure you write that down. And the most important thing you need to know, which I need you to write down, is the first step here. Volume equals length times width times height. That's all volume is. That's all you're multiplying. You're multiplying the length, width, and height. Okay? So let's go ahead and let's look at it. So we have two examples. Okay, we're going to do them one at a time. This says find the unit given, or use the unit given, find the volume. So we have 8, 12, and 6. Volume equals, I'm going to use something a little bit darker. Volume equals length times width times height. So what's the length here? How long is it? Well, it's 12 centimeters. So 12 times, what's the width? 6. The height is 8. So 12 times 6 times 8. Alright. Now, I know 12 times 6 is 72. Then I take 72 and I multiply it by 8. Now, I don't know off the top of my head what that is, so I'm going to do 72 times 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Carry the 1. 8 times 7 is 56, 576, and now it says use the unit given, so it's 576 centimeters cubed, because it's volume, okay, so you put a little 3 to represent cubed, so it's 576 centimeters cubed, okay, you multiply the length, the width, and the height. Now I like to multiply the ones that I think would be easiest. That's why I did 12 times 6 first, and then I multiplied it by 8. Okay? Alright, let's do number 2. And honestly, the order doesn't really matter because you're multiplying it. Just think of the like associative property, commutative property. Okay? In this case, it would be the commutative property. Okay? It doesn't really matter what order you put it in. Alright, so number 2. Volume equals length times width times height. What's the length? The length is 4. What's the width? Width is 5. And the height is 10. So, 4 times 5, when we do that first, is 20. 20 times 10 is going to be 200. Okay? So, you do 20 times 10, 200. And 200 meters cubed, because they're all measured in meters. So 200 meters cubed. Okay? Alright guys, that's all you're doing today. You're just multiplying the length, width, and height. Okay, multiplying the 3. And if you have any questions, please make sure you ask. Alright, have a good one.